Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Manish Mittal from Surya Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. Dear students, in last video I discussed with you about the topic share issued at par. Par means share issued at face value, that is known as par. In today I will discuss with you about topic share issue of share at premium. What is the meaning of premium? Premium means share issued at more than face value. Means if face value rupees 15, 10 and share issued at more than 10, then what is the limit of security premium? There is no limit of the security premium. Company can charge any more if they have reputation, then can issue at any more than face value. What will be entry? Dear students, premium can be put at everywhere, even application, allotment, first call or final call. But mostly premium money include at that time of allotment. Mostly include at the time of allotment. Then your allotment money change. Your allotment entry will be changed. Your allotment entry will be entry. Your allotment entry will be share, equity share, allotment account debit, to equity share, capital account, to security premium, reserve account. Security premium, reserve account. Allotment money divided into two parts, capital and premium. When money received, then your entry will be passed. Bank account debit to equity share, allotment account. What is the use of this security premium? This security premium can be used to write off preliminary expense, to write off premium on redemption of debenture and preference share, to buy back of its own shares. These are the purpose where security premium can be used. Dear students, for understanding it, I will take a practical problems related to your book question number 6. And what is the question? Now I will read about that question. Z Limited was registered with an authorized capital of 60 lakh divided into 60,000 share of 100 each. Authorized capital 60 lakh and 60,000 share of 100 each. Company issued 25,000 equity share at a premium of 20 per share. 20 per share. Face value 100. Premium 20. Then share issued at 120. Payable on application 30. Allotment 45. We will make two parts of allotment, capital, premium. Premium 20, then your capital will be 25. First call 20, final call 25. All the share or subscription means application were received for 25,000 share. Issue 25, subscribe 25. All money were duly received. Share issue expense 40,000. Which were written off against security premium reserve, prepared journal entry. Let's start the question. First of all, application money received, your entry will be passed. Bank account debit to equity share application account. Application account. Application on 1 share 30 and 25,000 shares 7,50,000 rupees. Rupees 7,50,000 shares. Rupees. Narration for application money received. These application money transfer to share capital. Narration should be written. It will be the part of answer. Equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. To equity share capital account. 7,50,000. 7,50,000. Now, allotment money due. Allotment money consists narration, application money transfer to share capital. Allotment money due. Allotment money 45. Two part, 25 capital and 20 premium. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. To security premium reserve account. 25,000 into 45 000 for 125 100 और ये 112 to share capital 25 into में 5 25,000 6,25,000 to security premium reserve 25,000 into 20 5 lakh. In question, all money duly received means allotment money received and your entry will be passed. Bank account debit to equity share allotment account. Bank account debit to equity share allotment account 11,25,000. Now, first call money due. Narration, allotment money received. Equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. Capital account. On 1 share 25,000 share 5 lakh. All money were duly received means first call money received. Your entry will narration for first call money due. All money were duly received means first call money received. Then your entry will be passed. Bank account debit to equity share first call account 5 lakh. Narration for first call money received. Now, when final call will due, your entry will pass. Equity share final call account debit. Two, equity share capital account. On one share, first call 25,000 share, first call 6,25,000. All money what you receive means this money also received and your entry will be passed. Bank account debit 2. Equity share final call account. To equity share final call account 6,25,000. 6,25,000. Dear students, these are entry related to the share allotment at premium, share issue at premium. Now, in question, share issue expense are given. Share issue expense entry, share issue expense account debit, expenses account debit to bank account 40,000. In question, premium are available, then these expense will be written off through the security premium reserve. Your entry will be passed security premium reserve account debit to share issue expense account. Security premium reserve account debit to share issue expense account 40,000. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.